What's up guys, and it's time to welcome back the king. Samsung Galaxy A82 is in development and we have a brand new patent that is downright crazy. Just to refresh your memory real quick, Galaxy A82 is the successor to the original Samsung Galaxy A80. A lot of brands have done pop-up camera system, but Samsung, every time they do this, they do it different from everyone else. So this time around is something a little more crazy. According to this latest Samsung patent, we have not single but dual sliding smartphone that actually pops two things from each end. This dual sliding mechanism reveals cameras on one end and a massive speaker on the other end. Based on this patent, Let's Go Digital has made a realistic concept showing you what the actual device could look. And first thing first, we have this full-on bezel-less look. Sliding the phone upward, it's going to reveal three cameras on the back of the phone, pretty much like the original model, ranging from ultra-wide, wide-angle, and zoom camera setup. But unlike the original model, there is no rotating camera mechanism, so they had to add a separate selfie sensor, as you can see in these patent. Sliding the display downward reveals a massive speaker, which in this concept they imagined that it's tuned by AKG. But even in the patent itself, you can see how massive it is, and it's gonna be very much attractive for those who want the best speaker on their phone. It's always exciting to see a pop-up camera mechanism from Samsung because, like I said, they always do something different from it. And this time, we not only get the pop-up cameras, but we also get a pop-up massive speaker. Now, we're not sure when Samsung will actually release this stuff in the market. As per latest leaks and the amount of patents we're looking at, we could actually see this coming later down the year. Also in the news, it's now official that Samsung is indeed bringing some sort of flagship level features to their Galaxy A52 and A72. This was posted by EvLeaks, and pretty much this promotional image of the A52 in the black color and with those water splashes confirms that the IP67 rating is indeed coming. I actually talked about the Galaxy A72 in detail in my previous video, so I will leave the link for that in the description. Also, we have a massive news regarding Samsung's software update schedule. So recently they promised that they will be giving 3 years of software update to their flagship phones, which includes even flagships like Galaxy S10. But now Samsung is extending that even further. Samsung has promised that they will be giving 4 years of security updates to these devices. These are all the compatible devices, and you can see names like S10 series. A lot of phones from A series are included in this as well, so good move indeed. And last but not the least, we have codename leaked for two upcoming smartwatches from Samsung, codename Fresh and codename Vice. Very likely we're going to be seeing these coming alongside with the foldables later down the year. We don't know about the features and everything yet, but soon enough more details will come. Also, real quick, we have a Galaxy Z Flip 3 concept that is based on the S21 design lineup. As we have heard in the leaks, that Z Flip will sort of adopt the design from the S21 series, and you can see with the outer display, it actually looks pretty good. You can check out the full concept. Link will be down below in the description. That's all for today. Make sure to slap a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and also enter my Birds Pro giveaway. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.